What vitamin repairs the pancreas?
No single vitamin repairs the pancreas. Nutrients can help recovery, especially when deficiencies occur. Pancreatic disease causes malabsorption of fats and micronutrients, so vitamins A, D, E, and K often fall low. Vitamin B12 and other B vitamins support cell metabolism and nerve health. Zinc, magnesium, vitamin C, and omega-3s aid repair and inflammation control. Supplement only if labs show deficiency. Use pancreatic enzyme replacement to improve absorption, and avoid megadoses. Talk to your clinician.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.